Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I need to get rid of books. That's the goal for today. Hi, my name's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. I have recently been called to the carpet a little bit by a few people about my overabundance of book buying / book collecting. I rent a room in a house and I have expanded upon my library significantly. I have these two bookshelves, which you guys have seen in several of my videos, and they're great. They're the IKEA Billy bookshelves in black, and I love them, but I've outgrown them. All of these books, for the most part, are books that I have read previously. All of these books are books I have not read yet. It's a situation, it's a problem. I need to address it. We also know about my closet, which has stacks and stacks and stacks of books in it. I just have books everywhere in this room. So my goal for this video, however long this takes me, I'm hopefully trying to do it in a couple of days by the end of this week, is to count all of my books that I currently own, to get rid of at least 500 books from my collection. I know I have at least a couple thousand books in my room at this point, and it's too much. It's overwhelming. It's just looking very, very cluttered at this point. It's too much. So I'm recondoing. I'm trying to be as harsh as possible. If you guys saw my last video, you saw I downsized a little bit. I've probably replenished at this point about what I got rid of. So I just need to really par down. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, I think to be realistic, I'm going to start on these two shelves. These are all of my classics. Actually, these are a chunk of my classics. So what I want to do is, I know I have duplicates of classics in here. So what I think I want to do is go through these two shelves and remove any editions of classics that I don't like or don't want to read anymore, or just whatever. I need to just par down. Like, I already know I'm probably going to get rid of that Wizard of Oz collection because I have that whole Wizard of Oz collection. So we don't need to. All right, friends, so quick update. As you probably recall, this was double stacked to its full potential. So I'm going through all of my nonfiction, which is currently in these two piles, still to be shelved, but I'm going through and scanning each and every book in nonfiction, and if it has anything below a 3.75, I'm just immediately discarding it. Just because with nonfiction, I so rarely pick it up. If the vast majority of people that have read it don't like it, I'm not going to get on board with it. So I'm going to do that for my self-help shelf, which is that one, which is also very double stacked, and hopefully be able to combine or very greatly get rid of most of these. I think I've gotten rid of 15 books off this shelf overall. So good news is I picked good nonfiction. The bad news is we need to get rid of it. Also, ignore my laundry. This is the current stack of what we're getting rid of. So we're making good progress. We've got a good pile going, but we could do more. All right, friends, so quick update. Actually, 3 bags are in the garage currently, but I'm up to 61 books that we're getting rid of so far, which is great. My goal is significantly more than that, though, so we got to keep plugging along. Wish me luck. friends, welcome back to day 2 of cleaning and organizing my life. It's cold, it's gloomy outside. I have a comfy Sanderson sweater on, and we're gonna get rid of more books. Currently, I think my count is up to about 70 books that I've been getting rid of, but there's still so much more we can remove. So today is gonna be a little bit harder because nonfiction and classics are actually pretty easy for me to purge. The hard ones are all of my contemporary and fantasy and middle grade, because that's my comfort zone in the place that I live. And what if I'm giving away my favorite book and I don't even realize it? First world problems, I know. So today, that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, come along. So one easy way I'm clearing things out is just going through process of elimination with scanning each of these books into Goodreads. And like I mentioned before, if their rating is under a 3.75, it's an immediate cut. So unfortunately, I think a majority of the books that I pick are highly rated books, which makes things a little bit more difficult. But yeah, we're gonna go through this shelf now, so wish me luck. Okay, here's a quick after. We've taken down a significant chunk. We're up to 89 books that we've removed off of these 2 shelves, which is awesome. These are all now single stacked, not with like the piles or anything, which is super great, which means just good things. So moving along. I'm avoiding this, I'm not even gonna lie. This needs to go away significantly, and all of that. We still have work to do. Here's the before. There were a set of about 5 or 6 books that I just took down, but those are absolutely staying because those are reads that I want to get to this year. So let's go through these stacks. It always gets bad before it gets better, right? So this is what we're currently working with on the unread shelf. That's pretty organized over there, so that's good. But yeah, this is the current state of affairs. In terms of the closet, this is where we're at. Cleared out those 2 giant stacks that were up to my necklaces like before, and cleared out a couple of these shelves, moved some stuff around. I'm really trying not to just move things around and really go through everything and like get rid of stuff as I'm like shifting things. We also reorganized this a little bit. I'm making this like other classics and series, so I know where to go for all of my at least paperback series. These are all seasonal books except for those. These are all like holiday books, and then a majority of them are like all my Christmas books. So that's the current state of organization as it currently stands. This is gonna be a project for more than a couple of days, I can already tell. Paddington. Hi friends, we're up to day 3 of this project, and I knew it was going to take a minute. I knew it wasn't going to be something to be like done overnight, but I'm still feeling so overwhelmed. I lost a nail in the process. Yeah. We're up to 120 books that I've gotten rid of though, so that's really great. I think I'm gonna do a completely separate video where I really quickly, because that's a lot of books, run through what I'm getting rid of, and I think I'm gonna let you guys vote on which ones I should keep. So I need to finish this soon because I need to put that video up so I can get rid of these books and go take them to donate. Yeah, I just need to get that done. So yeah, currently, again, my room is still a disaster. We have piles of books on the floor. What else is new? And yeah, I'm still trying to tackle the closet, which is still a disaster. I mean, books are just everywhere. So fingers crossed, I can get rid of a pretty good bulk of books today. And tomorrow, this could be a whole long video. So hopefully today we can be productive. Wish me luck. I'm stuck at an impasse. I don't know what to do. I've got so many books still to go through, and I'm up to 120 books that I've already gotten rid of. Like, that's absurd, but I still have so many more books. This is the hard part. These are the books that I'm struggling with, because they're all like potentially great books. I'm like, feel like I'm sweating. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Hi friends. So it's Saturday, and I'm in the really challenging part of this whole declutter, get rid of book thing, which sounds so dumb. But yeah, I got motivated by someone in my life to start this project and see it through, and he actually came over and was helping for a little while, which I appreciate. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just in a really weird headspace right now. I've kind of been in a weird headspace all day today. And, yeah, I don't know. My anxiety today, for whatever reason, is just kind of kicking my butt. And I think it's one of those things that, like, even on the outside, when you're like, everything's great and you feel good, and like you have those moments where all of a sudden you're up and you're really happy, and then you have those moments where you're like, I just want to stay in bed. I don't want to do anything. I don't know. So I'm just kind of feeling that way a little bit right now, and I'm surrounded by books. And I need to finish this project. I just need to do it. I need to just stop being a little whiner, and I just need to get it done. But for those of you that have anxiety or struggle with mental health, sometimes you just know that, like, it's really hard to be motivated sometimes to finish stuff. And you just get in this headspace where, like, last night, like, I got done with work and I just laid in bed and I just could not move. And it sucks because, like, it's not a fun way to be, and I hate feeling like that, but it's not easy. And I don't know why this all of a sudden turned into a side tangent about mental health, but I kind of just want my channel to be a place that's real and raw and maybe a little bit vulnerable at times. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. So my plan for the rest of the night is to just get this done, take a break maybe for a second, and get back at it. But yeah, that's where we're at. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me know down in the comments below how you're doing. I don't know. Okay, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. An empty closet floor. Anyway, so we're doing it. It's happening. It's happening. Okay, I'm starting to feel like we're seeing the tunnel, the light at the end of the tunnel. What's the word? All right, most of the books at this point are condensed to a shelf, and the floor of the closet is still empty. So I'm feeling pretty good. This is a lot. Hi friends. I need to wrap up this video because, well, in total transparency, it's been 3 months since I filmed the start at the beginning of this video, and I never filmed an outro, and I really do want to get this up for you guys because I think it's fun to kind of see the process of me going through everything in my room with cleaning these books out And now I'm already at a part where I need to get to part 3. So part 2 needs to go up. So real quick, I want to go ahead and film kind of where it's at currently, and then pretty much like gonna start filming part 3 to this. So let me show you that. And yeah, there we go. Alright guys, so this is what the red bookshelf currently looks like. We're not even gonna pan down past here because it's covered with laundry, and I'm in the midst of filming another video for that, so yeah. But that is pretty much a lot more organized, I think, than what it used to be. I'll try to put in a side-by-side so you guys can see, but yeah, here's that. Okay, over here we have the unread side, which, as you guys remember, was a lot more double stacked. These two are currently double stacked, and these are all of my 2021 purchases that need to be read and moved to another spot. However, the one thing I am excited about is the closet only has 3 piles in it. I'm going to try in part 3 to get this down to 1. That's the goal, ladies and gentlemen. An empty floor or 1 stack. So there you go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys want to see part 3 so I know to keep making these for you guys. I hope you enjoy me watching me get my life together, honestly. Part 3 is definitely going to come soon, and yeah. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!